Military Occupational Specialty, Bradley Fighting Vehicle System Maintainer. The men in this MOS have the challenging job of performing maintenance on the Bradley Fighting Vehicle in order to maintain its peak performance. These soldiers work exclusively on the Bradley, where they troubleshoot and perform hull and turret maintenance, service its power pack, and conduct recovery operations. For this MOS, the Army will train you to remove and replace items such as engines, transmissions, electrical components, and weapons systems. You will also train to diagnose and perform corrective maintenance on the Bradley's mechanical systems, and train to read schematic diagrams of its electrical systems, then troubleshoot them using diagnostic equipment that includes digital multimeters. After your initial entry training and advanced individual training, you'll work supporting Army operations in the field, day or night, supporting infantry or cavalry units, or working in a fixed facility, where you may receive additional training for specific situations. Your unit duties may also include repairing everything from cooling systems to installing turret components and purging the system. Serving in this MOS can help you transition from the military to the civilian employment sector, because your skills in leadership, teamwork, and problem solving are skills and values in demand by civilian employers. In today's fast-moving Army, it's important to keep its equipment in top shape. So if you enjoy the challenge of making sophisticated machinery do its job and like keeping it in action, then join us as a military occupational specialty, Bradley Fighting Vehicle System Maintainer.